Hi there, my name is Maggie Bergeron. I'm a physiotherapist and one of the co-founders of Embodia. Today I'm going to take you on a short tour of Pelvic Health Solutions content on Embodia. Pelvic Health Solutions, or PHS, hosts exercises, education, and on-demand courses with us. The PHS exercises, patient education, and questionnaires, including the bladder diary and fiber diary, can all be shared with your patients digitally using Embodia's web and mobile apps. So we're going to dive in. I'm going to share my screen with you and show you how it works. All PHS patient education handouts can be found in the Education section. Search using the search bar or click on the author's name. This will pull up all education by this author. You can click on an education to view it, and then click the Share button to share an education with your patient. All PHS exercises can be found in the Exercise section. This large library of pelvic floor specific exercises correlate with the Level 1 and 2 courses. You can search for exercises using the search bar, drop-down menus, or by clicking on the author's name. Click on the exercise to watch it. Click the Add button to prescribe it to a patient. Along with the PHS content, you will also find a wide range of exercises and education for every practice area, including orthopedics, pediatrics, neuro, and more. If you prefer to create your own library of exercises or education, you can easily do that on Embodia. If you're connected to a clinic, you can develop a clinic library of content that you and your colleagues can use. There's also a wide range of outcome measures and questionnaires available to you. These can be shared and completed digitally. Embodia will tally the scores for you and track change over time. One of the most loved outcome measures by pelvic health PTs on Embodia is the digital bladder and fiber diaries. Not many people want to bring a piece of paper with them to the bathroom, but most people bring their phones. Quickly and easily share a bladder or fiber diary with your patients, who can then complete them on any device. Patients can access their programs and track progress from the mobile app or Embodia website. Each patient has their own unique and secure credentials to log in on any device. Practitioners can also access Embodia on any device. Using the mobile app, practitioners can prescribe exercises on the go, record patients doing exercises, and share a bladder or fiber diary. All of the features we've covered here are included in Embodia's Tier 2 membership. You can sign up by logging into your account on the web version of Embodia. Head over to the top right corner and then to My Membership. Select the Tier 2 membership, or if you're looking for the ability to chart, schedule, bill, and online book, as well as all of the features shown in this video, select the Tier 3 membership. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at support@embodiaapp.com.